'Twas the night before Christmas when all through the land manufacturing was busy with tools in hand. CNC machinists and assembly personnel were making lots of parts to move air well. Customer service was calm with emails all read while visions of orders danced in their head. Accounting was quiet, no invoices or receipts, ready and waiting for a nice Christmas treat. HR was sharing about Dixon careers. There's always work to be done here. Marketing checked flyers and social posts twice. Unnoticed errors are naughty, not nice. Engineering was printing innovative parts. Creating new products is truly a work of art. Distribution centers around the U.S. shipped orders efficiently. There's no need to stress. Sales was thinking about Cam and Groove, excited to sell products that help fluid move. Clamp hoses and loading arms too. Dixon has the right connection for you. Dixon Specialty Products offers swivel joints galore. Accessories sells FRLs, dry disconnects, and more. Brass supplies fittings for dear old St. Nick. Dixon Quick Coupling has parts that disconnect quick. Although Santa usually drives the sleigh, this year he has Baco parts on the way. Rack monitors and API couplers for transportation. We can ship to any location. Sanitary has pumps, valves, and filters, so the cocoa and cookies don't taste off kilter. Last but not least, we cannot forget about fire. Manufacturing every day, we never tire. Our mission, vision, values, it's true, involve working together to delight you. So in this season of joy and wonder and light, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night. On behalf of all of us at Dixon, we thank you for your business. We wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday Season, and a wonderful New Year.